Watch this HAOSEN automatic sealing machine run live in our customer's factory. The gripper takes over, feeding the bag into the bevel cutting station. Clean, precise, and consistent. Then the gripper opens the pouch mouth, ready for spout insertion, and the first heat seal begins. Each spout pouch goes through 3 heat seals and 1 cold seal, strong, reliable, and leak-proof. Once a batch is done, the operator simply loads the next stack into the feeder. Simple reloading, and you control the batch size. From loading to sealing to finished pouch, all in one seamless cycle. Finished pouches discharge right here, simple design, cost-effective. We offer optional add-ons too, conveyor belt, bag collection device, or bevel cutting, fully customizable to your production needs. Spout pouches seal tight, suitable for liquid detergent, fabric softener, beverages, juice, sauces, and food products. What do you want to see next? The version with conveyor belt, or the one with bag collection device? Let us know in the comments.